In this video, I will show you how to install CarStream on Android Auto to watch YouTube. First, open your browser and search for the Android Auto Apps Downloader APK on GitHub. Which is a third-party tool used to install apps like CarStream. Once you open the page, scroll down to the download section, select any stable version, and tap on the APK file listed under Assets to download it. After the download is complete, open the file and install it on your device, making sure to allow installation if your phone asks for permission. Now launch the Android Auto Apps Downloader and complete the initial setup process. Inside the app, you will see a list of available applications. From there, find CarStream in the Multimedia section at the top. Tap on it, choose your preferred version, and press Install. If a prompt appears asking for permission to install unknown apps, enable it and return to continue the installation. Once everything is installed successfully, open Android Auto and launch CarStream from there, and you will be able to watch YouTube directly on your system. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.